And let's begin with news coming in from Mumbai of another shocking hit and run. A speeding BMW rammed into a couple, killing the wife on the spot. Shinde Sena Neta's son rammed into a couple early this morning is when the hit and run took place in Mumbai. The accused is on the run after the deadly crash. After ramming into this couple who were on a bike, the accused ran away immediately from that spot. Didn't stop, didn't wait to help the victims. None of that, just ran from the spot. The accused here, identified as Mihir Shah, his father is a part of Shinde Sena. The 24-year-old accused who is driving this white BMW is on the run currently. So the cops are on the lookout for Mihir Shah, another clear power drunk brat there going on this rampage, 24 years old. Then a son of Shinde Sena Neta rammed into this couple who were travelling on their bike early this morning. The wife unfortunately died on the spot, and the accused here didn't even get down from his car, immediately fled from the spot. This shocking incident coming just weeks after the Pune incident of an inebriated drunk minor killing two people, a couple, when they were also on, in fact, their bikes. That incident took place late in the night in Pune and, of course, put the focus on how these VVIP brats think that they can get away with the most horrific of crimes. And here too, it's a 24-year-old accused. What we're hearing is that the car was in fact speeding. It happened in the city of Mumbai, and the accused, Mihir Shah, who is driving that white BMW which you see on your screens, rammed into the couple's bike from behind. He was speeding clearly. The wife unfortunately has died. The husband, the other victim, has been injured.
जो मुंबई में हिट एंड रन का जो घटना जो हुई है बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है, और मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है। इसमें कोई भी हो उसको एक नजरिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है वो सख्त की जाएगी नियम के अनुसार। तो जो भी हो, कानून के सामने सब बराबर है।
Dev Kotak is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Dev, shocking hit and run once again being reported from the city of Mumbai. The accused, again, it's a very familiar script for us. Another influential man there behind the wheels rammed into this couple from behind, a speeding BMW, and then didn't stop, made away with the crime.
Well, yes, Akshita, to give you an exact first-hand account of what had really happened and show our viewers the car, you can see the kind of extent of damage that the car has suffered. So you can really imagine the impact with which it came from behind, speeding and rashly hit into the motorcycle. Also, if I can ask my cameraman to show the windscreen damage. Also, the Shiv Sena sticker out here has been scraped away immediately after the accident. This was scraped away. Also, if I can ask my camera person to show that there are prawns and fishes and everything. So this is the fisherman and fisherwoman, their residents of the Worli Koliwada area, and they were getting fishes back to sell in their area, returning from the Mazgaon dock area. So you can really imagine that they were doing all of this for the livelihood. Also, if I can ask my cameraman to come further this side and really show the kind of damage that the car has suffered. Also, behind on the windscreen, another Shiv Sena sticker was there that had been removed. The accused in question, the 24-year-old Mihir Shah, absconded and is currently on the run. The police are trying to arrest him. He was with his driver at the time of this incident. The deceased lady has been identified as Kaveri Nakwa. However, she was taken to the hospital and she died during treatment. Also, if I can show you the scooter on which they were traveling and how badly it has been damaged. These are the mangled remains of the scooter, the tail light broken, the number plate out here dangling, fallen down on one side. This is what it looks like from the tail of the scooter. Everything has literally just opened up. So that is a very serious damage. We are, however, waiting for the police official statement to be released. The deceased husband is currently at the police station here right now in Worli, However, his wife's body has been kept at the Nayar hospital. It is also being told that he could not find his wife for the first few minutes, and in fact he is the one who approached Worli police station saying that my wife and I met with a nasty accident and she has been missing since the incident. Of course, her pallu of the dress that she was wearing got stuck in the front left side wheel of the car, and she was dragged for a good 3 to 4 kilometers. That is what has majorly resulted in her death, and her body has suffered some very serious damages. However, we will continue to wait for the police report and the post-mortem report as well. And you can also see that the number plate has also been removed. It was a Palghar registration. It was in the name of Rajesh Shah, whose son is the key accused and responsible. Rajesh Shah has currently been detained and the car was registered in his name. He is the deputy leader of the Eknath Shinde camp of the Shiv Sena in the Palghar district of Maharashtra.
The father here has been detained. The son is still on the run. They've managed to seize that car, which is what Dave is showing us right now. You see the impact. It tells you really how fast the BMW perhaps was going and clearly rammed into that bike from behind. We're going to be tracking the story very closely and asking questions really of the authorities here. The focus will be on whether they managed to nab this influential driver or not, the son of a Shinde Sena Neta. Thanks very much, Dave, for joining us with all those details.